New at 11, help wanted in more ways than one. The Suicide Prevention Center in South Carolina works to help people in crisis. But tonight, they say they are in a crisis of their own. WCNC Charlotte's Brianna Harper shares how the new 988 hotline is overwhelming this nonprofit.
Answering the call for nearly 2 decades. That's been the mission at Mental Health America of Greenville County as part of the National Suicide Prevention Hotline, specifically working to serve those in South Carolina. But since the rollout of the new 988 number in mid-July, the call center says the number of calls has skyrocketed, going from an average of about 65 calls a day to over 130.
We have definitely seen an increase, and that has just been in the calls. That hasn't counted the texts and chats that have been coming in also.
The nonprofit says it trains volunteers and staff to answer the calls. But with more calls and not enough people, that forces the use of a backup system.
If we are unable to answer the calls, it does roll. Now, it will roll out of South Carolina. And of course, we would prefer to answer all the calls in South Carolina because laws are different and rules are different and just even resources are different state by state.
In only 4 states, a fee helps fund 988. South Carolina isn't one of them.
One thing we definitely need is sustainable funding. I mean, right now, we have short-term grants and things that sustain us temporarily.
More funding means the center can hire more staff and have more chances to save lives. Brianna Harper, WCNC, Charlotte.
Mental Health America of Greenville County has created a GoFundMe. You can find a link included in this story on our website.